Hey, it's Tom, and I'm here to walk you through the installation, configuration, and general workflow for the new Nice Voice Assistant. Nice Voice is not a bolt-on set of functionalities. It is the platform you know and love, with thousands of devices supported, evolving and delighting customers for over the past 20 plus years, now with the new interface, your voice. Nice Voice knows your devices and subsystems, areas and locations, scenes and event maps, and access and permissions that you typically configure for a system. But there are some considerations for voice to further enhance the experience for your customers. Let's get started. System requirements for Nice Voice. You must be running a recent controller that is running CoreOS 8.9 or later. You must have an ITP or an HR40 remote. You must have an active voice license. And your controller must have internet connectivity. Nice Voice has two license types, a subscription and a lifetime license. The subscription will require a renewal before the expiration date shown in Management Cloud, in Config V2, and on the viewer in the system, whereas the permanent license, like our other licenses, do not expire. To install, just go to Management Cloud, navigate to the location that contains the targeted primary controller, paste in the license key, and install. If you want to try before you buy, we have introduced our first trial license, which can be enabled in Configurator V2, System tab, Modules tab. The trial is good for 60 days and can only be activated once per primary controller. Nice Voice, of course, takes into account the language selected in Configurator. The first release of Nice Voice, with 8.9 in December 2024, is English US, which is selectable in Configurator V2, System tab, Language, English-US. While English GB and English AU are currently accessible, giving you speech-to-text and text-to-speech for their respective regions, our NLP, or Natural Language Processing, is currently optimized for US English. Additional languages and regional accommodations will be made in future updates. Speaking of updates, the voice definitions, which handle utterance and action variations, are separate from core updates and will be available like other firmware updates on the platform. You'll receive a notification in Management Cloud about the update, launch into Configurator V2, and install the update with the push of a button. Just go to Config V2, Interface tab, Nice Voice, Update Definitions.